Welcome viewers, you're watching Bots based on true story, where we bring you stories that matters as they happen. As the world continues to move at a rapid pace, we remain your trusted source for in-depth analysis and breaking updates. Let's dive in today's lead. NEET UG 2026 fee refunded process begins soon. Re-examination scheduled for June 21st. Following the cancellation of NEET UG 2026 over a alleged paper leak, the National Testing Agency (NTA) is set to begin fee refund process for registered candidates. The dedicated refund portal at neet.nta.nic.in has not been activated, but once live, students can submit their bank account details to claim their registration fee back. NTA has already confirmed that NEET 2026 examination will held on June 21st, 2026. Ceremony for Trump, strategy for Putin. Xi plays both sides masterfully. China's President Xi Jinping hosted back-to-back summits with US President Trump and Russia's Putin, revealing China's contrasting foreign policies. With Trump, Xi focused on ceremonial hospitality, VIP tours of Temple of Heaven aim to stabilize trade ties with deals like $17 billion annual US farm purchases and 200 Vyong jets announced quietly after Trump's departure. With Putin, Xi shifted a substantial discussion, signing 40-plus cooperation agreements, reaffirming their no-limit partnership and joint opposition to US nuclear policies, notably the power of Serbia. Two gas pipeline deal remained unsigned, a major setback for Russia. Sensex rises 332 points, Nifty 23,747 on US-Iran peace talk hopes. India equity markets opened positively on Friday, with Sensex climbing 332 points to 75,507 and Nifty gained 85 points to 23,747, driven by hopes of US-Iran peace talks. However, Thursday saw markets end marginally low. Sensex fell 135 points to 75,183 and Nifty slipped 4 points at 23,655, dragged by the losses in IT and FMCG and financial stocks. Bajaj Finance, Infosys and Tech Mahindra were top laggers, while reality and cement sectors outperformed, with Nifty Cement surging over 2%. Tamil Nadu Cabinet Expansion. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Sri Joseph Vijay has further expanded his state cabinet with 2 MLAs. Is set to sworn in today at Lok Sabha Bhavan, Chennai at 9:30 am. This follows Thursday induction of 5 TVK's MLA into key ministries. With 23 ministries now holding portfolios, Tamil Nadu has become the only second state after Kerala to establish dedicated artificial intelligence department at cabinet level. Iran and Oman discuss permanent toll for Strait of Hormuz. Iran and Oman are reportedly discussing the permanent toll of mechanism for shipping through Strait of Hormuz, a critical waterway carrying a major share of global oil and LNG exports. Iranian officials has described it as a sustainable security framework, but reports suggest that ships have already faced an informal fee for passage. US Secretary of State of Macro Rubio strongly commended the proposal, calling it illegal and a threat for the world. Experts warn a formal toll system could spike oil prices and raising shipping costs for major importers countries including China, India, Japan and South Korea. CSK skipper Rituraj fined 124 lakhs Indian rupees for slow over rate. Chennai Super Kings captain Rituraj has fined 124 lakhs Indian rupees for maintaining a slow over rate during their IPL match against Gujarat Titans, CSK's second such offensive this season under Article 2.22 of the IPL Code of Conduct, remaining the play 11th member have also fined either 6 lakh or 25% of their match fees, whichever is lower. Gujarat Titans won the match by commenting 89 runs, ending CSK's slim playoff hopes.